What's up, everybody? Welcome to Randy Sage Films. Today we're going to talk about the one thing that you need in your filmmaking arsenal that will essentially make or break your films. But before we do, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like on this video, hit that notification bell so you get notified when I release new videos, and please leave a comment or question down below. So what is the one thing that every filmmaker cannot live without, and the one thing that will make or break your films? It's important that you have good editing software to edit your films. There's lots of proprietary software out there available on the market today. I use Adobe Premiere Pro. There's also Vinci Resolve. There's a handful of different ones. I like Adobe Premiere Pro because the Adobe system also has different apps within them that I use to aid in my filmmaking. Get creative when you are editing and treat the video and audio as two separate things. A lot of times you don't just want to go right from one person to the other, switching back and forth through dialogue. You want to let that breathe a little bit. Here's an example of a shot that I did where you see dialogue in one person, but then I switched to an alternate camera to get that reaction shot while the audio is still going.
That you can sense them when they came looking for you. And only by accident would you let them film you or even see you up close.
To help with the editing process, you want to record in RAW format and use color grading afterward. There's lots of what's called a LUT available online where you can just basically dump the LUT into your film to get that color grading. But I like to do a little bit of both. Sometimes I like to use a LUT, sometimes I actually like to just color grade it myself and play around with the different settings. There's lots of videos that you can watch on color grading, and I will go into depth in this on future videos. But it's very important to shoot in RAW, color grade after for best results on your short film. And before you export your film, you want to master your audio for best results.
I must master it as I must master my life.
Since I use Adobe, I edit in Premiere Pro, and then I master my video in Adobe Audition. Mastering is a way of getting the volume of your music and your dialogue up at very high levels, and also kind of canceling out some of the noise as well. There's lots of noise reduction programs available within that, and that'll make sure that when your viewer listens to it on their phone or wherever, that they have the best audio possible. I didn't do this for my first 3 or 4 films, and I kind of regret it. But again, that's part of the learning process. Hopefully you can avoid that. Lots of videos out there on how to master your audio in Adobe Audition. If you're using Adobe, DaVinci has their own set of mastering programs as well. Watch this next video and learn about the one essential tip that will make you a better filmmaker.